Welcome to day 2 of this 15-month-long journey. I'll have to break this down into days and episodes.
Lei non è la mia ragazza.
She is not my girlfriend. Welcome to Best Laid Plans and the very beginning of my 15-month journey to health, wealth, and happiness. I guess I'm hoping that I might find someone out there that can relate to this beautiful mess of mine. Hi, I'm Janae, and I teach productivity that sticks. If you're interested in planning your perfect life, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss some big announcements coming up very soon. I plan on vlogging 3 to 5 times per week. Hopefully I can post one every weekday. It depends on how long it takes me to edit them. I may have to work up to 5 days. I'm not certain right now. So let's look over the plans for today. I got my homemade breakfast sausage made. I make my own since I'm allergic to black pepper. We're having breakfast for dinner later this month, so I wanted to have it ready. I like to press it into a pan and freeze it into sliders. I went ahead and made a little lunch too. Then I put the menu into our online family calendar. Let me fill in my water and meals for the day so far. Today I was a little bit tired, but mostly awake. I had really bad fatigue in August, so I've been gradually recovering from that. I worked myself hard yesterday, but I still couldn't sleep for some reason. Too excited about doing videos, I suppose. On my self-care list, I stood on my vibration plate today, I did my meditation, and listened to my daily tracks. The rest of the self-care I'll do later this evening. Here you can see that I in fact only got 6.5 hours of sleep. Usually with Holosync, anywhere between 6 and 8 hours is fine, but I'm still recovering from whatever was causing that fatigue, which is why I'm a little tired. Not enough to keep me from working, which is all that matters right now. Part of me wants to get to sleep earlier so I can get up at noon, but I'm finding that sleeping until 2 gives my daughter a chance to work on my computer after school so she can work on her video editing. And it gives me a couple more hours at night to work uninterrupted. Well, we'll see how it works out. I've still got my evening vitamins left that I'll have with some homemade ramen later, along with my elderberry syrup. I had some cheese and soys in the mayonnaise. Off of my personal list, I got my Italian lesson in and my quick video game login.
Io mangio I tuoi panini.
I eat your sandwiches. I did more work on the cabinet doors. I've already put a plus sign there. They are pretty dirty, so it's taking me some time to get through them. My 9-year-old was very sweet and cleaned up 2 doors for me, and I changed the water on our sprouter. Before I made the sausage, I had to get a sprig of rosemary from the garden. It was an adventure trying to film myself doing that in the middle of the night. Since I was out there already, I also planned on cleaning the studio. It was really hot outside and pretty hot in there, and I looked around and I was like, nope. Whole lot of nope. It's supposed to cool off next week, it'll be nicer, and I can have the doors open while I clean. And it isn't like I didn't have anything else to do. My husband got the trash out and changed the air filters, and although I did payroll, I didn't do the rest of the bookkeeping. My 9-year-old helped me change the shower curtain today. One of the cats ripped our old one, so it wasn't doing much good at keeping the water in. I did the bathroom supply check and put what we needed onto the shopping list. We did our family studies, and I need to set history as a priority tomorrow, so I remember to print out that script we need. I finally got the Etsy shop update to work. For some reason, it refuses to upload my freezer label image. I've tried posting it from different sources, and it still didn't work. I checked the image file size, and it's fine. I'll try recreating it and posting it later. Now, I need to spend a few hours on sticker orders. I worked on the November designs. I need to work on those some more and posted 2 products. I still didn't get to the coupons. You can tell the things that get put off because the dots start piling up as it gets more and more urgent. So when I see a string of dots, I think I must be putting it off for some reason. I gotta get to it. and I spent some time cleaning up in the kitchen. The kitchen, bathroom, and great room floors got swept really well, so I can mop them tomorrow. I cleaned the top of the fridge as I was cleaning the cabinet doors and ran some cleaner through the dishwasher. Loading the soap dispenser with Tang does a great job with this, but since we don't use Tang anymore, I just loaded it with some citric acid powder and sprayed the interior with vinegar before I ran it through a cycle on empty. The kids did great on their chores today. They did so much on Monday that we didn't have anything to fold today. I put an X through the items that don't need to be done. Again, the schoolroom got cleaned, then messed up, like worse, right after, so I'm not going to give them credit for that. I do have a new event that goes from the 3rd to the 14th. I'll have to spend about half an hour on Elder Scrolls every day during those days. I'd love to play more, but I just don't have the time right now, so just keeping my characters active is enough for me. Let me check the menu to see if I have anything I need to do. Nope, the split pea soup is coming out of the freezer, and my mother is making some homemade bread. My hand that covers the soup bowl, I get a kick out of that. Tomorrow looks pretty open for completing some of the tasks off my list. I'm still doing some research on what exercise program I'd like to work on as part of my 15-month process. Let me know down in the comments, what's your favorite way to exercise? Did I say yesterday I needed to lose 30 pounds? More like 50. Let's get out of the denial and out of this baby weight. The baby is almost 7. I'm going to finish today with my homemade ramen for dinner. I love this stuff. It has chicken bone broth, rice noodles, eggs, mushroom, corn, seaweed, all sorts of goodies in there. Thank you for joining me for my day today. I can't wait to see you for tomorrow's best laid plans.
Bye.